They're good. Highly recommend making these. And my mom will see this and be like, you don't have the right sifter. I know. What's up, y'all? It's me again. Welcome back. Today, I am baking like a lot this week because I'm trying to kind of get ahead in videos so so we can spend some time with our family the next couple weekends so I don't have to worry about making videos. So yeah, I've been baking a lot lately. And today we are going to be making, they're called Swedish kisses. So I was home this past weekend and my dad is half Swedish. And he was looking up like Swedish recipes and he convinced me that I should make these. And by convinced me to make these, he handed me his phone and was like, he was like, here, just look through these recipes, and then just walked away. That was him convincing me that I should make these. But it didn't really take much convincing because there are only 4 ingredients. They're super easy. I have had these before in the past and they're delicious. So I'm going to show you guys how to make some Swedish kisses. Let's go. Okay, so in this bowl I have half a cup of sugar and then I'm going to put in, I'm going to put 2 sticks of softened butter in, and I am using Kerrygold butter because the recipe says good quality butter. So we're going with Kerrygold. If you don't know what that is, maybe it'll focus. That's Kerrygold. It's supposedly good quality. Now it's like not focusing. Okay, so I'm gonna add these 2 sticks of butter and continue to bump the camera. And then we're gonna cream this together. Okay, now I'm gonna put my little sifter thing up here. I have 2 cups of flour in here already pre-measured, and I'm gonna sift a little bit in at a time. And my mom will see this and be like, you don't have the right sifter. I know I don't, Mom. But this works. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna sift a little at a time. And then mix some and do that for all 2 cups of flour. All right, just like that, pretty much done with most of it. Now we're gonna take this over to my baking sheet and form some cookies. All right, this part would be fun if you've got some kids around that want to bake some cookies for Santa. This is good for them. It is a little bit difficult because this dough is super crumbly, so you can't just do like roll it into a ball or else it will crumble like that. So you do have to like gently form it into its own ball. That's the only difficult part about this, is kind of making it into its own ball without crumbling. But basically you want like an apricot sized ball like that. And then we're just gonna set it on our baking sheet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, we're just making balls out of crumbs basically. But it's not that hard, as I like struggle to make a ball. This is what I mean, it like crumbles. For the thumbprints, you have to be super, super, super gentle because these, like I said, crumble really easily. Probably more easily than they should. I don't know. I don't think I did anything wrong. And you just like kind of hold it together and then very, very gently make your thumbprint into the cookies. Make a little well. See if we can. And then we're gonna fill them. Just like sticking my arm right in the way. Here. And then we're gonna fill them with some jelly and bake them. Now, as for the jelly, I have, let me see if I can. I have Swedish lingonberry jelly, like from Sweden, and it won't even focus because that's just how my camera is going to be today. But we have this jelly, and then I also have the Bon Mama. This one's the 4 fruit. So this made like 6, 9, 15 cookies, 14 or 15 cookies. So I'm probably just going to do a half and half, like with this one and this one. So let's start with the lingonberry. Watch me completely destroy these cookies. This jelly is really good because it's not too sweet. It's actually a little bit tart. It's really good. But it's also expensive if you buy it from Amazon. I'm sure it's not expensive if you actually live in Sweden, but we live in St. Louis. Okay, now I'm gonna switch and do the Bon Mama. Once this is done, I'm going to put them in the oven at 375, like I said before, for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll start with 15 and then see how it looks after that. I guarantee you I overfilled these with jelly. Like the jelly's going to be running everywhere. Guaranteed. Like that's far too much. Anyway, that's how they look so far. They don't look too bad. They look a little sad, but they don't look too bad. Yeah, they look pretty good. Okay, Jonathan is busy, so I'm gonna give these a try and see how good they are. Okay. Let's try this one. It's a little crumbly. It kind of split a little bit. I don't know if everyone can see that, but I don't even know what kind of jelly. I think it's the lingonberry. So we're gonna try it. These are good. They're not super sweet because there was only a half cup of sugar in them. It's almost like a biscuit. An American biscuit. They're good. Highly recommend making these. Sorry, I got distracted. My Google thing over here like stopped showing my photos and it's showing like random photos, and I was like, when did we go there? Like, when did we go to Greece? I realized those aren't my pictures. Y'all should make these. 4 ingredients, super easy. It took me less than an hour, like 45 minutes max. Anyway, I think my next video is actually going to be more cookies because it's that time of year. We gotta make cookies for Santa, you know? So, I think my next video is probably gonna be more cookies. And then after that, maybe another Swedish thing. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you wouldn't mind liking, consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. And have a good rest of your day. See you later. Bye.